Okay, so in the last videos, we were seeing pass by value and pass by address method. So now we are going to see pass by reference, right? And we must keep in mind that pass by reference is not a feature of C, it's only available in C++. Why? Because references are only available in C++, they are not a part of C. So here we are going to do pass by reference. Okay. So currently it was address. Now let's see what changes we can make to pass it by reference. Now one major thing, the changes made in swap function are reflected inside the main in case of pass by reference as well, right? The changes were reflected in address pass by address method. Now these are also the changes are also reflected in pass by reference as well. So let's see how we can do it. Now what we know that how can we create a reference variable? What we have to do is we just have to apply this ampersand sign, right? And hence this is done. This is what we call as referencing, right? In C++, we have created this reference variable a, which is actually storing the value, or you can say it is an alias or another name for x, right? So this a is not a, you can say, a separate variable, but a is an alias, or you can say another name for variable x, right? Reference variable are nothing but alias or another name for the variable to which they have been initialized, right? So what we have to do is we just have to write ampersand over here, and this would create reference variables, or you can say reference parameters, and just remove these dereferencing operators because they are now no longer any pointer or something. These are just reference variable, or you can say another name or alias to the values, to the values which have been assigned to them, and just remove these address of operator from here, and hence we are done. So this is what we call as pass by reference. Okay, so we are going to run the code, and one thing which I have to tell you, that if it is 5 and 10 over here, and if after getting swapped these values are going to be 10,5, these are also going to get reflected inside the main, so the output in this case would be 10,5, and in this case as well it's going to be 10,5. So let's run it. 10,5 in both the cases, and hence this is the output which we have, right? So this was all about all these parameters passing methods. We have completed all of them, and yeah, that's all. So thank you so much for watching.